faded bull bar. If you look after your pride and joy, I'm going to rejuvenate it. It's going to repel water. You can see the product up there, 1 litre and 5 litres on the website. We've cleaned it. We're just going to wipe it over like it's an Armour All product. We'll take a look. Just a moistened rag. See, it's starting to tack off and dry, and that's the way it'll stay. If you wanted ultra protection, 2 coats, it's going to repel water, things aren't going to stick as much, and it's going to protect your investment. So you're wiping it on. Just like your arm rolling and product. Restoration. That's it. That's the first coat. It's just tacking off. It goes on quite sticky, so it does go on like a paint or a lacquer. We'll let that tack off. We'll apply a second coat. I've even hit the spotlights up over the top. It's brought them up like new. Two coats. It's rejuvenated and sealed. Simple wipe on. That's Powdercoat Restore. Check it out, bluetongueindustries.com.au. Do a search and you'll find it there in the 1 and 5 litres. Remarkable product. Thanks guys. Check out our other videos as well. Catch you on the next one.